Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching all about the useEffect hook in React. I'll be teaching you what it is, how to use it, and when you should use it, and we'll be doing that through a tutorial where we will build this simple project right here. We can add and subtract, and our value will be logged onto the console, and we will be doing this through the useEffect hook. So to put it simply, useEffect is a function or some code that we can run in our app whenever something changes. So for example, in our project, whenever the count state changes, we will be running the useEffect. So to use useEffect, we have to first import it from React. So I will be importing useEffect and also useState. Now first let's make the state, which will store our count. So we'll do const count and set count is equal to useState. And now let's make some buttons that will change the state. So let's make a div. In the div, let's add a h1, a header tag, and let's have this display the count. Now let's add a button which will add 1 to the count. So we'll do on click, we'll make an arrow function, set count plus 1. Let's just copy this and paste it for subtract. And now if we test it out, I forgot to add a default value. There we go. And this is supposed to be count minus 1. Nice. So now we can add and subtract. Now let's make it log on the console whenever we change our state. So to do that, we must use a useEffect. Now the basic syntax is as follows: useEffect parentheses, then we make an arrow function, and after the curly brackets we will add a empty dependency array. I'll explain what this does in a second. Now inside of here, let's just do something simple like console.log hello world. Now as you notice, whenever we refresh our page, it's going to log hello world in the console. Why does it do this? Well, we are making a useEffect, which is like a side effect. It does something whenever something happens. So we are making it so that whenever the component first mounts, when it first loads, it's going to console.log hello world. As you can see, there we go. This empty dependency array, basically whenever we add something in here, the useEffect hook is going to run whenever that value changes. So for example, if we add the count value in here, whenever the count state changes, so when it changes from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3, it's going to log this that many times. So let's save this, let's refresh the page. Now if we click the add button, as you can see, it's going to console.log hello world. When we subtract, there we go, because whenever we change the state, the function is running. Now instead of logging hello world, we can make it log the value of our state. So we can make it log the count. Console.log the count value is count. So now whenever the component first mounts, it's going to log the count value is 0 because that's the current value, and whenever we add, it's going to say the count value is 1, and when we subtract, it's going to say the count value is 0. So there we go. Now the reason it first logs the count value is 0 even though we haven't changed it at all, it's because the useEffect hook always runs whenever the component first mounts. So it doesn't matter if we leave this empty or if we have something in here. Whenever the component first loads or mounts, it's going to run the function that's inside of here. So there we go. This is just a simple tutorial on useEffect and how to use it. If you found this video helpful, please do leave a subscribe and do like the video. So thank you for watching. Till next time.